Good day, teacher. Te present below the first partial being Natalia Stephanie Rodriguez Gonzalez. 1. People description of each person. The owners is Hank and Clara. Clara is mom de Hank. The four floral designer is Dennis, David, Marisa, and Bart. And one warehouse staff is Eric. And Gabby is a head of the plant. Marina is general manager and John is electricist. The partner is Marco Lemonis. What people weaknesses did Jacob Mars Flores have? Good customer service and good cleaning and does not owner is stay on the florist, contact with the florist and poor inventory management. How did Marcus Lemonis fix the people weaknesses at Jacob Mars Florist, change of labor obligations, and communicating innovations? Process is for three pips is process, products, and personnel. What process weaknesses did the business have at Jacob Mars Florist? The logistic employees, knowledge refrigeration in the flowers and directions and GPS in inventory is disorder in the plant and the product many products and log visibility and main products peanut. How did Marcus Lemonis fix the process weaknesses the business had at Jacob Mars Florix? Entries in 3PIP and barcode inventory and arrangement flowers and chain leaderships. The product labeling is the flowers in the laces. What is the product? In the products are candle, lamps, and glasses, and the star product is flowers. What is category of the product? That's why methodology and categorized for presentation, freshness, and quality. What product weaknesses did Jacob Mars Flores have? Mishandling of the products, visibility of the premises, bad treatment of the plants. Divided raw material and labor. Keep to mind and the final cost and repair electrical service. SWOT analysis is strange in time in industry and rare material stable of products and weaknesses is lack in cleanliness and lack PPP and opportunities is innovation market and weak competitions and threats is bad in inventory and conflicts the owner and bad profit margin. The best analysis is the opportunities and threats in political factor is staff change of the productivity and earning cash to purchase and the threats is logistic process and lose money on inventory. Macroeconomic factors. Opportunities is had more dollars in the profit and threats is 25 25% of loss per year and does not profit raise cash. Social factors is opportunities, is good communication and management, perfect personal presentation, and threats is bad administration and little attention beat Ogner. Technological factors is opportunities and rack material force workforce and product innovation and a strong investment the product. What is the language of flowers? The language is its loves, joins, um, security, freshness, and liberty of the expressions. Thanks for attention.